You are welcome back today. My name is Remenu Madukaine and I'm from Akumazu Mochasiono. There is one thing I want to tell you. Those that are from Eka, that are from Kwale and Aniocha fighting against the unification of our brothers, our sisters, our relatives, becoming one entity, missed it because you will never, if you allow pride to take you out of where you're supposed to be, nobody has done wrong to you. Either you are the one that has put yourself in a place of how will I do it. When we keep talking about the unification of Igbo family, somebody said Ika is not Igbo. When we look at your language, you look at how you speak, somebody said this one, it is dialect. We have what is called a central language, a central Igbo language, and every community you visit today in the southeast and the south that speak Bia no has their unique way of pronunciation. That is dialect. That is where you now begin to see Semitic and lyrics. But in a rare sense, Igbo remain Igbo. It doesn't really matter the state which you fall into. When you visit River State, they speak Nda, they speak Mwoko. And when you visit Ika, they speak No, Kedu, Nani. They speak Nani. And when you see us, everything about us shows that we are nothing but Igbos. But I just want to let people know, you can't keep dividing us. My name is Madukaine and I'm from Akumazu Mocha. I will keep saying this to everyone who is fighting against the unity of Igbo, that we cannot keep remaining the way we are. The subjugation, the suppression, the backwardness that we are faced as the result of denying who we are. Enough of all that. Let us take away sentiment. What you have experienced during the war, most of you are holding it, saying that this is what has happened, this is what has happened. But I put it to you that the effect of the war went around the whole of Igbo land. It is not only the Kwere that have negative effect or experience of that civil war. It is not only the Kas, it is not only the Kwales, it is not only the Aniochas, it is not only the Anambras, the Abias, the Imos, and the Boeing. Every part of the southeastern and those are brothers who find themselves within the north central felt or have a negative effect of that civil war. We should reflect and we should put our mind to what the present day government had for us and see how we will fight together to redeem our land back to ourselves. I'm not saying it. I know most of you said you are under a payroll. Because you are being paid, that is why you are talking about the unification of Igbo. Yes, let's assume that I'm being paid. Take away the salary that they are paying me, but accept the truth that I'm giving to you. It might be true that I'm being paid. I don't want to have an argument with you. But take it and digest it. When an Ikwere man with the name Uche, with the name Akalaka, commits a crime in any state in Nigeria, he is being named an Igbo man. When an Isioma from Agbo, when an Chinedu from Kwale, when an Oke from Aniocha commit crime in Nigeria or any part of this world, he is being projected as an Igbo man. But when these same people has anything good that would have been a source of unity for us, that is where you now begin to put in he's from Kwale, he's not an Igbo. He's from Aniocha, he's not an Igbo. But I've not seen a Kwale man who come out boldly to defend somebody from Kwale who committed crime from not being Igbo. He or she will turn deaf ear, knowing fully well when they call it Igbo, you know that this person is from Kwale. But because his name is Isioma and they say Igbo man, you will turn deaf ear. You will not come and tell them, no, this is not an Igbo man, or it's from Kwale. Why are you doing this? Who are you doing this to actually, how will I do it? To actually, who are you doing this to please? Bikonu Dodoni Oge Ruele Akeji Nueka ihendere na nemma na embrace the ones eremma. What are those things that are good for us? Our unity is most important thing to me now than whatsoever. Our unity, because I know we are going to go far with it. I know a lot of things will begin to happen positively in our land with it. Let us come together as one big family. Let us build it as one big family. Let us cherish this name and this unity. Let us fight. Because in our fight, coming together to fight, the beauty of oneness will be seen among us. But let me tell you, whether you are Kwane or Kwale, I still want to remind you that when you fight against the word Igbo, I want you to also fight against the word Ika and the word Anyocha. Because some of you said, is there any ancestor that his name is Igbo? Can you show me that ancestor that his name is Ika? Can you show me that ancestor that his name is Kwale? Can you show me an ancestor that his name is Anyocha? All this name was actually put together to unify us the more. Let us not reject what is not rejecting us. When we come together, our enemies will be so easily to be defeated. I remember my humble self, until I come your way again, don't play with that move or that policy or that fight of unity, because this is what we have in hand. When we achieve it, the world will be a starting point. I love every one of you. Even if you hate me, I know I love you. Until I come your way again, remain powerfully blessed today. Remain wonderfully blessed today. God and shalom.